I know I haven't made a video about the Jetson. It's been a while, probably more than a month. But I do want to make a couple updates for you. So I didn't have this bike for a couple weeks. It was sitting at my in-laws' house, and my wife had a little bit of an accident on it, and we'll just leave it at that. So she no longer wants to ride this anymore. So I'm working on fixing it up, and I think I'm gonna make it faster. So I got my battery back here. It's just wrapped up in Gorilla Tape. It's just holding on with Gorilla Tape and zip tie, so not too safe, but honestly it hasn't moved at all. It's staying pretty stable. And I got the cover back on. I think the last time you guys saw it, this might have been off. The controller, everything's wired except for the kill switch for the brakes. I still need to do that. That was the last thing. But I took a break on this and because I got another bike and now I'm getting another scooter, but I don't want you guys thinking that I'm stopping on this project. I might change these grips because I made them pink for her, but I now have the remote mounted up here. I got the screen and now I have a throttle. Now everything works except for the kill switch, which I already know which wires those are. I just have to wire it up. So screen looks good. The battery gauge does not work very well, so I do go off this voltage. The reading as far as the bars on here, it's off. I haven't figured out how to fix that part yet, so I'll be working on that. But I did get these little grippy things for the brakes to make it a little bit more comfortable, and they actually are, and they're pretty cheap. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check those out. And then I got the Cloud9 seat on here for comfort, and it is pretty comfortable now. Everything else is the way it was when I left it. So I got this is a 48 volt battery. I got a 48 volt controller wired up in there. Not finished. That's a video that I still need to make for you guys, which I will be doing eventually. I still have all my wires just electrical taped right now, so I do need to solder and get it all nice and neat. So that will be coming here in the hopefully next few weeks and not next few months, but I got another thing coming for the channel. I also think I'm going to upgrade this motor or add a motor. I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet, but I am looking at 1,000-watt motors for this, and I know it's going to be crazy, but we'll see what happens. But I am getting a different basket for the back here. That's why I kind of just have it taped up. I'm looking at an all metal basket. The other one I had just attached to the seat post, and it wasn't working very well. It's really loose and swaying back and forth, and it needs to be tighter. They do make one for the DYU scooters that mounts right here, and then it comes up and mounts to the seat post up here. If I get that, then I will get a bigger battery and probably do the wheel. But the next thing I'm getting is a 09. If you guys want to look that up, I will do a video about it when it gets here. It's supposed to be delivered on Friday, but hopefully soon you guys will get to see that one as well, and I will start working on this one again here soon. The 09 is going to be really cool too. I'll have a lot of videos and a lot of ride time on that for a while, but I want to get this one going and make it even better than what it is now. So I didn't want my Jetson Bolt community to think that I'm forgetting about them, because I'm really not. I just have a lot of other projects. See all my 3D printer colors? I'm working on a bunch of stuff for this too, so hang in there. More content's coming.